First, we check the floor is perfectly level. Tape the edges to protect the walls. Now, a thorough clean. Mix the primer until smooth. Roll it on evenly. Here's the tricky part. Pour the epoxy in a slow, controlled stream. Gently guide the gold veins and blend thoroughly. Now, pour the epoxy in a slow, steady stream. Use your trowels together to guide the gold veins evenly. Smooth the edges and watch the reflections form. Once the floor cures, we start the feature wall. Measure the width and mark alignment points. Apply adhesive to each panel, press firmly, and use a level for vertical precision. Install the LED strip inside the ceiling recess. Conceal the wiring neatly behind the panel edge. Connect securely to power and test the warm, even wall wash. Now assemble the furnishings. Position the sectional sofa in place. Build the gold coffee table frame and carefully lower the glass top. Finally, mount the floating TV console. Complete the final polish to enhance the marble reflections. Adjust the furniture and confirm the lighting balance. The space should feel refined, cohesive, and inviting.